Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Kiki and I am the creative director and founder for Patio's Creative Designs. And in this video, I am going to show you part 2 of my staging project of a house that I'm doing here in the Boston area. And I give you 2 options to look at just for photography reasons, but I figured why not film both? That way you can see different options that you can choose from when styling a table for the outdoors. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the red button below. I would really appreciate it. Also ring that bell because apparently people are not getting notification when new videos are being posted by your YouTubers, and so if you click that bell, then it'll remind you that there's a new video up on your, my channel. Without further ado, stay tuned for the staging project part 2. Okay, that was all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on me staging a patio table. I hope you got some pointers from it. If you like what you saw, please click that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and I will be uploading a part 3 really soon, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, you know my saying, please practice appreciation and gratitude. Bye.